In this video we're going to draw two bearings, 0, 70 and 230. So the first step we do is start at north. So for 0, 70, let's start at north. Let's draw a north line. So here's my north line here. Draw an arrow at the top and put N there, and this point here is A. So now let's draw and measure out my bearing. So let's get the protractor, put it up, and step 1 says start at north, so I've got 0 there at north, and the second part says go clockwise. So count from 0 until you get to 70. There's my mark for 70. Take my bearing away, draw a line between the two blue points. Okay, and here's my line there. It's a little bit bigger, but that doesn't matter. That's on that side, and then just label the far end as B. So that there is my bearing of 0, 7, 0. Okay, let's try the other one. So of 230, so first let's draw my north line. Here's a line, and put my arrow on the top, call it N, and we start at A here. Now that I've done that, now I can start measuring out my bearing. So start at north and go clockwise. So we start at 0, but can you see around here? I only get to 180, I need to get to 230. So I need to rotate around my protractor. Again, make sure it's over the point and level with 0. So that's pretty good. So this was 180, so 190. 190 is here, 200, 210, 220, 230. There's a mark for 230. Take away my protractor, draw a line between the two. There we go. And label this B. And then this angle here is 230. Bearing of.